In this video, we will introduce postponed evaluation of type annotations in Python and learn to add type annotations in a clean and efficient way. Postponed annotations in Python refer to a feature that defers the evaluation of type annotations until they are needed at runtime, rather than at the time a function or class is defined. This feature was introduced in PEP 563 called Postponed Evaluation of Annotations. Type annotations are no longer evaluated at function definition time with this feature. Instead, they are preserved in the annotations property in string form and evaluated at runtime when needed. Starting from Python version 3.7, we can enable this feature by importing annotations from the future module. By default, annotations are evaluated when the function or class is defined. By importing annotations from the future module, they will be evaluated at runtime when needed. Besides, it tells the interpreter to store annotations as strings, deferring their evaluation. This allows forward references without quotes and avoids name error. It can also improve performance by avoiding unnecessary computations at startup. Before PEP 563, namely before Python version 3.7, we need to enclose the forward reference in quotes and make it a string literal as shown in this example. Note that this solution is still available in modern Python versions and is actually widely supported by various IDE and static type checkers like MyPy and Pywrite. With PEP 563, namely since Python version 3.7, we can import annotations from the future module to enable postponed type annotations, which in turn makes forward references without quotes possible. This feature can make the code cleaner and also more performant, as they are only evaluated at runtime when needed. To work with postponed annotations, especially if you need to evaluate them at runtime, you can use the getTypeHints function from the typing module. Note that we need to get the type annotations of the init method in this example. Otherwise, the result would be an empty dictionary, as the TreeNode class itself does not have any type annotations. Even though it's a bit too early to discuss it now, it's important to know that PEP 563 will be superseded by PEP 649, which has been accepted and will be available in Python 3.14. With PEP 649, we no longer need to import annotations from the future module and can have postponed type annotations by default. The easiest way to test this new feature with Python 3.14 is to use Docker as shown in this command. Inside the Docker container, you can run code with Python 3.14. This is it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel for more content.